Ever struggled with messy overlapping vertices ruining your 3D models? Imagine if there was a magic tool that could instantly clean up them, making your model smooth and efficient. In this video, we are diving into the Weld Modifier, Blender's hidden gem for perfecting geometry. I'll show you how it can save your time and give your model that flawless, polished look. Let's get started. Okay, this is our environment, and let's add a Suzanne mesh. Press shift A, go to the mesh and select monkey. So go to the front view and let's check it. So you can see that this is our Suzanne, and now I want to apply the weld modifier. Go to the modifier tab, click on wrench icon, add modifier, and scroll down, and you can see this is weld modifier, and just select it. You can see here the menu of weld modifier. There is some options. One of them is mode and distance, vertex group. This is only three options we can play with. Actually, weld modifier merge your vertices. Okay, let's what is it actually do? It calculate overall shape and merge all messy vertices with by distance. Okay, let's look up. Go to the edit mode, and you can see this is our Suzanne shape, and these all are vertices. I want to increase this distance. You can see the change of it. You can see the change into the modifier into the shape. It merge all the vertices that have to 0.23 meters. If I want it 1 meter, you can see it all clear. These, okay, check it. You can see this is our only 3-4 vertices that have 1 meter distance. If I increase it, these gone merge. And if I switch to the connected, it affect only connected vertices. Okay, and if you want, okay, let it back. If you want any specific that affected by the modifier, just select it and create a vertex group. Okay, select these vertices you want to affected by modifier, select and go to the vertices tab, add group, select and assign, go to object mode and go to the modifier, and now select group. Now you can see it affects only that part here that have not selected. If I invert this, you can see that affects only selected part. Though, so that's all about weld modifier.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comment what you would like to see next.